Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So here we have our first DIY. She has some cardboard here. Looks like she's doing a mirror. Okay, so she also has some wood for this, giving it more support. And then she's going in with that spray foam. We saw this a lot during the pandemic. Some paint. Oh, wow. This looks absolutely gorgeous. And those mirrors are very expensive, so she just probably saved a ton of money by making it herself. Very cool. So here we have some type of like popcorn container stand. She probably got this from like a thrift store or something, and she's pretty much just cleaning it. I would have liked to have seen that spray painted black and gold. I think that would look really cool. So then we have a summer DIY project that you can try out. Now, summer is almost over here in the States, but this would still be like a cool little, end of summer project. So she has the pots. Looks like she's making some candles here. Oh, cute. She put those in the flower bed. And then here's another action DIY. And if you don't have an action by you, you can pretty much go to like Target, the Dollar Tree. A lot of these same stores have the same items. And it looks like she is building out a beautiful... Okay. Oh, she's making a fountain. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so clever. I love that idea. That is beautiful for the patio. Very cool. Now that's definitely a summer project. All right, so moving on to the next one. This is one of my favorite DIY creators. I think she has a YouTube channel too, if I'm not mistaken. But she has a bowl here. Now this is definitely like a Dollar Tree friendly project. She has the spoons here. And she's just kind of putting them on that bowl. And then going in with the gold paint and the black. Oh, so she made a nice little like lantern. Oh, that's cute. And you guys know I love black and gold, so. All right, so here we have someone, it looks like she's doing a statement wall here. So she painted the wall black and then she's adding the woodwork, getting the hubby or boyfriend to help. I see this design like all over Pinterest. It's very popular right now. And she did add some shelving here, some plants. Really cute. She made it look so easy. All right, so here we have another 3D wall design. Now these you can definitely find on Amazon. I've seen them before. They're another very popular way you can decorate and spice up a boring wall. Oh, and here's another one. So this one, you can do the slants yourself, but this one is actually of some wallpaper. I don't think I've ever seen this before. Wow, look at the way she did that mirror. Very cool. And then we have someone making a DIY fireplace TV stand. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That looks so high-end and beautiful. They did a really good job. Oh, it's for the bedroom. Yes. Level up. I love this space. All right, so now we are definitely at the dollar store here. Actually, we might be at Action. But like I said, they have a lot of the same similar things. So we got a glass cylinder and a bowl. Gluing them together. Gluing the two pieces together. And then we're going in with the paint. Now there's a lot of DIY project ideas that you can create with these same items. And we got the stone effect spray, making it look even more high-end. Ooh, oh, that is gorgeous. Now this could be a lamp too. It could also be, you know, you put a candle in there. Very cute. So she used it as a lamp. It's just a nice little way to light up the space. Okay, so we got another outdoor project here for the patio. Oh, you know what? My husband, maybe he should watch this one because he's trying to like do some nice looking decor. I like the idea of doing the faux plants, the fake plants for the outside, just because you don't have to worry about actually taking care of them. And if you don't have a green thumb, this would be a cool project to do. And they honestly look so realistic. Oh, and then she has the up lighting. Oh, yes. I bet this looks really beautiful at night. Very nice. I think it's important to have a nice space outdoors as well as indoors. So here we have a DIY wall art piece. So basically using different shapes to create some patterns, some texture. I'm not quite sure what she used to lay over those pieces, but definitely kind of looks like the way that she's painting it, it looks like stone. Like that looks like stone, like crazy. Very cool. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.